Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishnan. Here we are discussing about the topic that is set of words basically. In this basically we got one advertising, right, basically related to the cyber security that was somebody has put in. So that advertising basically was related to what basically? That was related to cyber security basically. So what words basically the Oxford University has given to the cyber industry basically? First of all, we will see basically what actually the cyber industry is.
डिमांड हमेशा ही बनी रहती है। अब बात करते हैं उन चीजों की जो एक साइबर सिक्योरिटी कंपनी चलाने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है। इनमें सबसे पहले आता है साइबर सिक्योरिटी का सर्टिफिकेशन, यानी सर्टिफाइड एथिकल हैकर सर्टिफिकेशन की बात करें तो इस प्रकार के हैकिंग का मतलब है किसी सिस्टम या नेटवर्क की वीकनेसेस को पहचानना और उसे ठीक करने में ओनर की हेल्प करना। ये एक बहुत ही सेफ हैकिंग प्रोसेस है जिसमें ओनर की देख रेख में हैकिंग के काम किए जाते हैं। ये बेसिकली अपने या किसी सिस्टम की खामियां पकड़ने के लिए यूज किया जाता है। दूसरा है वेबसाइट हैकिंग। इस प्रकार की हैकिंग में वेब सर्वर और उसके एसोसिएटेड सॉफ्टवेयर जैसे कि डेटाबेस और दूसरे इंटरफेसेस के ऊपर अनऑथराइज्ड कंट्रोल हासिल किया जाता है। तीसरा आता है नेटवर्क हैकिंग। इस प्रकार की हैकिंग में किसी नेटवर्क की सभी इंफॉर्मेशन पर कंट्रोल ले लिया जाता है। ऐसा करने का मेन टारगेट होता है नेटवर्क सिस्टम और उसके ऑपरेशन को नुकसान पहुंचाना। इनके अलावा भी आपको ईमेल पासवर्ड और कंप्यूटर हैकिंग की जानकारी होनी चाहिए। नंबर 4 पर है GIAC सिक्योरिटी एसेंशियल सर्टिफिकेशन। इस सर्टिफिकेशन में कैंडिडेट को
हेयर फॉल शैम्पू, हेयर फॉल ऑयल, 10 दिन तेल लगाओ, बाल उगाओ। एंटायर इंडस्ट्री हैज
See
गिविंग
this
प्रोडक्ट्स
advertising
दैट
also.
डोंट वर्क।
इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी नॉलेज सिखाई जाती है। और नंबर 5 पर है सर्टिफाइड क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी प्रोफेशनल। इसमें क्लाउड डेटा की डिजाइनिंग, मेंटेनेंस और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सिक्योर करना सिखाया जाता है। इसके अलावा भी कंपनशिया का साइबर सिक्योरिटी एनालिस्ट जैसे कोर्स करके भी अब साइबर सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट के तौर पर अपनी नॉलेज को बढ़ा सकते हैं। तो अपनी साइबर सिक्योरिटी कंपनी को रजिस्टर करवाते समय आप प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, LLP या लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी कंपनी, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप, वन पर्सन कंपनी और पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म में से किसी एक फॉर्मेट को चूज कर सकते हैं, जो भी आपके लिए आसान लगे या फिर कंपनी स्टैंडर्ड के लिए बेहतर हो। पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म की बात करें तो अगर आपने डिसाइड किया है कि आप अपने बिजनेस में पार्टनर्स रखेंगे तो इजीएस्ट वे है कि आप पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म बनाएं। इसके लिए आपको अपने पार्टनर्स के साथ मिलकर के पार्टनरशिप डीड बनवानी पड़ेगी, जिसमें सारे नियम कायदे रहेंगे कि कंपनी कैसे चलेगी और पार्टनर्स अपने बीच प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग कैसे।
So this was about cyber security, right? So in this, one of the person told that in Oxford University, basically how many words basically are given to the cyber security group. Then he told that basically the Oxford group only basically might be knowing. For that basically somebody told that basically just now basically you got the advertising basically of some one serial basically Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma. For that basically one of the person told that basically Oxford University basically are connected with lots of Bollywood industry also basically. They basically say that for example they basically given the one of the person told that basically Bollywood group basically know that basically Microsoft has got basically what basically Microsoft has got this many words that Bollywood industry knows. Bollywood industry knows that basically the Microsoft has got the 35 words, and that 35 words is going to generate human needs, each and everything basically they knows. So they know basically I have already taken the example of whatever the human needs basically which get creates. For example, Microsoft told that basically we created the onion from our one of the word basically which was given by the Oxford University. So they basically told basically that you have basically given the word onion. Sorry, you have given the one word, and from that basically we created the onion. And that onion basically is going to onion means pyaz basically, dungri basically. It's going to produce what basically? It's going to give strength basically in hand, in head basically it's going to give strength. Eye basically will get increase. Eye sharpness will get increase. Your brain basically will get a little bit sharp, and then basically you are going to do this type of activities. Romantic basically mood basically you would be having 5 percentage, then basically 5 percentage would be of mathematics mood, 5 percentage of would be the English mood, say 10 percentage will be of ideas basically, and the 20 percentage will be of computerization view basically, and 20% will be of the Microsoft idea basically. That Microsoft idea, what basically that we will discuss basically later on basically. Then basically lots of ideas basically are going to be captured from that onion basically. So one of the person told that okay basically. So one of the person told that how many serials basically are created by the Bollywood basically, which basically is giving the advertising of the words basically. So we will take few serials name basically, like whatever serial basically. I would exactly don't know the one serial basically I know, that is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, right? This actually spelling is wrong basically. I have just taken as a short form basically wrong. So this is one serial basically. So one of the person told that basically how many words basically is given from the Oxford University to this Tarak Mehta Ulta Chashma basically serial group basically. They do the advertising of, for example, Microsoft has created the Onion, right basically. So they can do the advertising of Onion basically, that this is the Onion basically, and from this Onion basically this Microsoft is going to produce basically. Means if you will eat this onion basically, you are going to produce this all thing basically. Then one of the person told that yes basically. Like this basically, assume that basically Bollywood created more than 12 movies for this 35 words which is given to Microsoft, given by Oxford University, right? So like this basically the Bollywood also came into the picture basically. Like this Bollywood also came into the picture. But Bollywood basically do the advertising because the person who created the world basically, he says that basically each and everything basically you have created, that has to be remembered also basically. For example, in future he want to track anything basically, then how he is going to track basically. So this group basically say that basically we have created it basically, and Microsoft 35 words basically are captured in the visualization way also, and what are the Microsoft is going to generate in the energy, up to that level information Microsoft has given to this group also basically. So one of the person told that okay. So Microsoft basically say that basically from onion basically this is going to generate, that is going to generate this, each and everything basically whatever things is going to generate, that Microsoft has told to Bollywood industry basically. That means one of the person told that yes basically he has told yes basically. That means is there is any security issue basically, then it is that the Bollywood itself basically is one secure group basically. Then how basically he basically can unsecure basically. Then one of the person told that yes basically you are correct. So that is just to remember the thing basically, that Bollywood group basically is remembering that basically the Oxford University has given the 35 words to the Microsoft corporation, and from this basically the one of the onion basically is the object basically, that is the human race basically, which is created by the Microsoft group basically. That is from the Microsoft group basically. So Microsoft basically say that basically that we have got 35 words. From the 35 words basically we have created these, that this, each and everything should be remembered na? Bollywood industry, sorry, the software industry basically they keeps the track of the documents basically, but visualization should be there na basically. How basically it is how basically the onion is going to perform basically, how onion is going to perform, that you have to display in the front of the public basically. Each and everything basically you have to display in front of the public basically, that if you are eating Microsoft onion basically, then this whole thing basically the person is going to do basically. So that has to be captured also. So that is basically Bollywood industry basically. Here basically I have taken one example of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma serial, and lots of movies also basically they have created for the Microsoft basically. In next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this all basically.